YouTube, what it do? It's your main man, Young DaveyMcFlyy 2 Wise, man. Checking in with some fresh off the press, steaming hot visuals, bro. I need y'all to go ahead and hit that like button for your boy one time, for the one time, if you will. I finally got my birthday pickup in. And as you can see, we got the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Green. Here go the box. Check out the box first. I picked these up for symbolic reasons and sentimental reasons as well. To me, it symbolized my birthday. It's an Air Jordan 2. I was born February the 2nd, second month, second day. So yeah, it being an Air Jordan 2, and it actually released on February the 3rd. It released a day after my birthday, so this was the closest Jordan to release around my birthday, it being a 2. I love Air Jordan 2s, and I don't have enough Air Jordan 2s, so yeah, had to pick these up. And the sentimental value, like the color green, just the name alone, Lucky Green. Who don't need good luck? And right now, currently, green is my favorite color. Love that good money green, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's how we manifesting the wealth around here. You know what I mean? Green is a good color. So let's check out the green on the outsole. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of green on the outsole, surrounded by gray. And then we got white in the arch. Looking up at the midsole is sail with a gray toe. You know what I'm saying? We got white on the uppers. Got that lizard skin with the perforations on top of that green trim. You know what I mean? It's green and black. It's like the top of the trim is black, but the bottom of it green. Kind of hard to explain, but it's dope. Dope as hell. I'm gonna try to get a better look for y'all. Let's get it in close and get it to focus on the shoot. But yeah, man, you see, like I'm saying, like how the top of the trim is black, but the bottom is green, right over the perforation. Super cool. We got the Milky Cell eyelets as well. Get another look at that outsole. You see the 10.5 down there. Check out the back. One of my favorite features on the Air Jordan 2, the back always look cool, and they always hit it with the Nike on the back. So win. Super clean shoe overall, and I feel like you can get them off with more fits than you think. You know what I mean? Just give them a try. They retail for $175, and I think they're actually going for under retail right now on the secondary market. So hey man, that's a win if you're looking for them. We're gonna get them on feet, lace them up. Let's go. And y'all know, I gotta hit them with the trusty standard loose lace job, bro. We got rules to the lace game. Rule number 1, man, woman, dog, cat, frog, pig, polywog. I don't give a fuck, bro. Whoever bought that shoe, that's who has to say how it should be laced. You know what I'm saying? If you bought your shoes, can't nobody tell you how to lace up your joints, man. You know what I'm saying? If your mom dudes bought your shoe, now you might want to tie them up, mama tell you to lace them up. But yeah, rule number 1. The entity that buys the kicks, that's who has to say how they should be laced. Rule number 2, is no wrong or right way to lacing your shoe, bro. Do you? You know what I'm saying? Express yourself. Express yourself. How about that? And rule number 3, you don't like me? You don't like my videos, or you don't like what you see? Get the fuck on, bitch. I do this shit for the OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike only anyway. You know what I'm saying? But if you're cool, hit the subscribe button right now, dog. I'm trying to get more homies over here, man. Get this shit in motion. But anyway, rules of the lace game out the way. Running a standard loose lace job. Nothing special. We're going for a casual look. I'm not going to play basketball. I'm not finna go run from nobody. I'm not putting on my good shoes to go fight nobody. You know what I'm saying? We coolin', we chillin', casual setting. So yeah, we're gonna put a standard loose lace job on the shoe to let it breathe. You know what I'm saying? Release stress points from the shoe. You know when you bend your shoe certain ways in certain areas, it's an instant crease. So if you loosen the shoe up, You know what I'm saying? You save yourself a couple creases. Now, a couple cats don't care about creases at all. I mean, I don't that much. I really don't that much. I just try to keep my shoes looking as fresh as possible for as long as possible. So that's why we hitting with the loose lace job. Now, I wanted to see what yellow laces look like in the joints, man, before I went on and committed with the double sale. I had to see what yellow laces look like. And y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the yellow laces. But yeah, man, I had to try it just to see what it looked like. Got that up out the way. Now, hey, let's see what they looking like on foot.